Here's how to make your first $100 online. Fast. Most people overcomplicate this, but it's actually simple. Step 1. Pick a skill you can start today, like writing captions, editing videos, or using AI tools. Step 2. Create a small $10 service. Something quick, something easy to deliver, like 5 captions, 1 edited video, 1 logo, or a tiny prompt pack. Step 3. Find buyers. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or message small business owners in Facebook groups. Send this message. Hey, I can do this for $10. Want to try it? Deliver fast. Happy clients come back, and they tell others. And here's the math. 10 clients, $10 each. That's your first $100 online. Start small. Scale later.